Do you know what happens when you overcook food? Cancer.
There is certain food that when we heat them, it produces a potential cancer-causing substance called acrylamide. Acrylamide is a natural chemical that is formed after we cook or process foods made from plants or grains, such as potatoes, root vegetables, chips, cereals, biscuits, or bread. They are not present in dairy, milk, and fish products. When these foods are heated with high temperature, either through frying, grilling, roasting, or baking, it is most likely to form acrylamide, so that crispy golden dark food is where we spot them. When we want to say something is bad for our health, we look at the evidence. Over the years, studies in animals prove that acrylamide triggers different kinds of cancer. It interacts with the genetic materials in the cells called DNA and damages them. In animals, it attacks the brain and reproduction system. However, human body is different from rats. Our body absorbs acrylamide at different speeds and metabolizes them in a slightly different way. The scientists and experts agree that acrylamide is still a human health concern and probably a cancer-causing agent. The levels of acrylamide that are present in our diet are higher than what we would be expecting. A government body in Europe called EFSA has established a safe level and a danger level of acrylamide in food that gives concern to human health. This level is called margin of exposure, MOE. For substances that are damaging our genetics and cause cancer, such as acrylamide, a MOE of 10,000 and higher is a low concern, while MOE between 50 to 425 is classified as danger level of concern to humans. Sadly, current studies tell us that our everyday diet contains acrylamide that falls under the danger level, so we would prefer them to be lower. Generally, the longer and hotter the food we cook, the more acrylamide will accumulate. So knowing that, we can all take steps to reduce acrylamide in our diet. Firstly, by cooking in shorter time to avoid heavy crisping or browning. Remember, cook just until light golden color because darker color means higher levels of acrylamide. Second, eat a balanced and healthy diet. Opting for food cooked with other cooking methods such as steaming and boiling reduces the levels of acrylamide in our diet. Third, don't store raw potatoes in a refrigerator. Under low temperature, potatoes develop more sugars that converts to acrylamide when we cook them. Lastly, let us all take these small steps to protect our family and the one we love.